Okay, so experimenting with the latest models in AI Studio is pretty cool, but how do you get all these capabilities into your own product? You've seen the potential, and now you want to integrate Gemini into your startup's app or into your website. You might think it's complicated, but it all starts with one simple step: getting your API key. This will be the easiest and the most powerful thing you do all day. So number one, go to AI Studio. At the top, click the button that says Get API Key. Click Create API Key, select a cloud project, and that's it. This string of characters right here, this is your key to using Gemini in all of your projects. You can have multiple API keys per project, add and delete them, and also track API key utilization, all in the Google AI Studio user interface. Your developers can now use this key in your code, whether it's Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, or any other language, to call the Gemini API and bring all these features directly into your application. So make sure to use environment variables whenever possible and keep your API key secure and secret. All of the software engineering best practices for working with any API key. It's free to get started, so go to AI Studio, generate your first API key, and unlock the power of Gemini for your startup. For any experiments that you run in AI Studio, you can also copy and paste the code and add your API key right in the snippet to run it. Link in the description, and subscribe for more Founder tutorials.